Hi guys, welcome back to another UChat tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about how to share mini app with others. So, in order for us to go through, I'm just going to go ahead and touch base real quick. And at this stage, I assume that we all know how to create mini apps. Just an overview. To create a mini app, we go to My Contents, click on Create New App, select V2, select the app name, hit create, and we have a folder created for that mini app. Now, in order to build a mini app, we click on edit, and then we build the flows, the triggers, the actions, the authentications, source, and everything. That is when we build and complete our mini app. So once our mini app is successfully created and it's ready to use, we have two options. Either use it by ourselves or share it. So if we want to share it, how we are going to go ahead and share with others? There are two options to share. One, to share with others like publicly, or to share with limited audience. For now, we're going to go ahead and observe how to share with others publicly. So we click on publish. Once we click on publish, it opens publish app settings in front of you. All you need to do is go through and fill the required information, and once you're done, you hit submit for review, and this is when the app would be submitted to UChat for their review and approval. Once it's approved by UChat, it is going to be included in the mini app store on UChat. I'm going to go ahead and take you over, like once it's published, where the mini app would appear. So we are in mini apps. On the top right corner, we have install apps. We don't have any data yet because we have not included any mini app. So we're going to click on install app. Now all the public apps that are available are appearing here. Our app is appearing because we created it, so it's from the same workspace, but it is draft, so it's not going to be visible to anyone else outside our workspace. So we hit select to any of the public applications, and they are going to appear on our mini app page here. And these are the mini apps that would be available to us to use within this workspace. Now, how to share this mini app with others, and we can limit who can see and who cannot. For that, we would still go into publish. Now over here, instead of submitting the app for review to UChat, we're going to come here to the first column over here in the middle. It says share the draft version. We're going to copy this draft version link, and we're going to share it with the people we want them to use this mini app. Maybe there is a select group of people we have selected for beta testing over mini app. And how we're going to go ahead and share is I'm going to go ahead and show you. So now we are going to move it to a new workspace. It is important that when you share the link with people that are going to use this mini app, they are in the right workspace where they want to use it. So I'm going to go to a totally new workspace and show you how to get this mini app in a new workspace. So I'm in a new workspace, and we're going to go ahead and check if the mini app is available in this mini app store. This is a new workspace. So the mini app that we created is not available here. However, there is another mini app appearing here that we created within this workspace. So how can we include the mini app that we created in another workspace? We've copied the link. We're going to paste the link on the top in the address bar, and it's important that we are in the right workspace. We hit press enter. Once we enter the address, mini app installation screen would appear. We would have all the details for the mini app, and on the right hand side we have a green install button. All we need to do is click install, and the mini app is installed successfully. So we hit cancel and we have the mini app here. So every time we move over to the mini app tab, the installed apps are appearing here, and this app is appearing to us, but this app is not appearing here because it's not public. Now, people who have access to this mini app can continue to use it without any worry. However, there is a setback. The setback is every time the owner of this mini app or the creator of this mini app makes any change to the version of the mini app that they have, and because everyone else who has this mini app, unpublished mini app, is using the same version, when they make a change on their end, the mini app on your end would change as well. So it is very important that you have a process defined how you're sharing your mini apps with others, and they're aware that while you're making changes, their mini app changes as well. So that is it for now. Thank you very much for your time and hope you have a good day.